नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम Respectable chief guests, teachers and all dear students, Assalamu alaikum. The subject of my speech is Siratul Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah said in Quran, "Laqad kana lakum fi Rasulillahi uswatun hasana." The life of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the model for all of us. The subject of my speech is Siratul Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Tolerance means to bear pain and hardship with patience. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a model of tolerance. He never wished ill for anyone. Hazrat Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anha said that the Holy Prophet never took revenge upon anyone. When the Holy Prophet went to Taif to preach Islam, the people of there threw stones at him. The Holy Prophet